Okay, so we have made it. We are on Friday, the final day. I'm just getting ready to post up the final video into the group. And it's been an amazing week. So for everybody that has not been part of it and you want to be part of this free training in the future, head to boostly.co.uk. This is part of the daily podcast series where I give hosts all over the world the tools, the tactics, the training and the confidence to get more bookings. We've been looking at the word action over the course of this week. And you may be thinking, well, hang on a second. Action is 6 letters in that word. And we're on day 5. So what's happening? Well, this is O. N is going to be Monday when we're going to have a big wrap-up party for everybody who's taken part in the challenge this week. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just go back 4 episodes and you'll get a good gist of it there. But today is Operation Bookings. This is one of the most important days, and this is why I'm going to give everybody the next 3 days to put this into action. Because right now in your workbook, if you're part of the special training, you will have some challenges, let's just say. These challenges, really super simple to do. You can do them over the course of the next few days, will not take long, and it will have an impact on your bottom line. You just got to do the work. The whole part and the whole reason why I do this week is that I want to make you comfortable about being uncomfortable. And what I'm going to show you and what I'm going to teach you and what you're going to do today, tomorrow, and Sunday is exactly this. So let's go and put it into practice. If you are tuning in and you are part of the challenge, go into the group right now, check out your workbook, and let's get this show on the road. For those of you that aren't and you want to find out more, then you're just going to have to wait, I'm afraid. Boostly.co.uk, pop in your email and you can be part of the next time when I do one of these, whenever that may be. I'm maybe going to look to do one in a couple of months, but you will find out more. You just got to give me your email. All right, go and be awesome. Go be proactive. Do not be reactive. Let's go get some direct bookings, and I cannot wait to see some of the results. Make sure you tune in later on to the live call that we do. All the information is in our private Facebook group. If you are not and you want to still do something, head to boostly.co.uk/podcast. You can catch up on all of the episodes, nearly 300 now. So I'll be back tomorrow. I've got a special episode for everybody. So I will see you then.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.